President Bongbong Marcos vows to provide aid and quick shelter for displaced families in the earthquake-hit province of Cebu. Here's the report.
President Bongbong Marcos visited quake-stricken Bugos City in Cebu, inspecting the Yolanda Housing Village in Barangay Pulambato, built as a relocation site for survivors of Super Typhoon Yolanda in 2013. The site has now been declared unsafe after last Tuesday magnitude 6.9 earthquake buried 7 people when a house collapsed. The president also inspected the Archdiocese of San Vicente Ferrer Parish Church, where residents rushed upon learning of ongoing relief operations. At the situation briefing in Bugos City Hall, President Marcos announced a donation from the Office of the President, 50 million pesos for the Cebu Provincial Government, 20 million each for Sogod, Bugo, and San Remigio, and 10 million each for other towns. Some residents have put up placards asking for clean water and food. Many Cebuanos remain fearful of aftershocks, forcing them to sleep along roadsides and in an open area. The President vowed to provide a tent city for them.
Ang desisyon namin, ang gagawin natin, kukuha tayo ng mga tent na malalaki at itatayo natin, kagaya ng sinabi ko sa ating mga LGU executives. Ito yung mga tent ng Red Cross na ginamit nung COVID. At ito ay mabilis itayo at kahit umulan, hindi problema. Kaya yun ang dadalhin namin dito sa ngayon.
The Department of Energy vowed to restore electricity in Bugo within the day.
Titiyakin natin na may food supply, may water supply, may kuryente kung kailangan mag-genset, kung anuman ang pangangailangan ng tao ay titiyakin natin na meron.
Meanwhile, Vice President Sara Duterte also visited the town of Medellin, bringing relief goods to earthquake victims.